Hi, welcome or welcome back. My name's Amber. We are going to be doing our makeup today. So, the thing I'm going to start out with is, oh jeez, I gotta pull my hair back. Looking like a complete egg right now, like, yo. So, sorry, I turned down the music. I'm going to start out with just a little bit of moisturizer. I got this stuff at Sephora. It smells really, really nice. And it had really good reviews. I literally just got the, I think, sample size though, because I was like, it was kind of expensive. I don't know if I can commit to a $50 thing. So I'm like, well, what if I don't even use it? Next we'll do primer. We are just using e.l.f. primer. Make your skin a smooth canvas and ready for the rest of your application of makeup. I have this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. Just gonna dot some on my dark eye spots. I'm gonna do some above too. And I'll probably do a few dots on my skin where I have some zits, like right there. Right there, right there. And then I will just go back and try to blend it out the best I can. I feel like I'm literally beating the shit out of my eye. Pretty much, if I'm going to work, I'm not doing makeup like this. Doing your makeup like this takes way too long. So I'll just do like regular powder makeup for work. And so I have this Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I'm gonna just give it a good little shake. It is expensive, so I do not wear it often. It's usually on the weekends or for like special occasions or something, like for going to see family or some shit. So the trick to doing your makeup with the foundation, the beauty blender, is just blend, blend, blend. You can't blend too much, so just blend, blend, blend until everything looks good, smooth. Go under, and go under your jawbone right here. I just do a little bit at a time because you don't want to overwhelm the skin. You don't want the foundation to start to dry either. All right, I think it's as blended as it's going to be. I still look pretty tired though. Dance intervention. Like Aerosmith. So now I'm gonna do Original Mineral Veil by Bare Minerals. I literally use them like every day, so here is what I'm doing. I'm just kind of. So here's my brush that I have from Bare Minerals. This is my everyday brush that I use for their stuff. I feel like this stuff helped with my acne and made my skin like look a lot nicer than it was. I recently got this Rare Beauty blush to go and look at Allure Beauty's like beauty recommendations. And if I see the Allure Beauty thing, like their little tag on a package, I'm like, oh yeah, I gotta get that. But this is the Cream Blush by Rare Beauty, which is Selena Gomez's brand. I love that it has a mirror. And then it is kind of like it is cream blush, so. The way it was advertised, you can just put some on your finger. The color that I got was, let's see, Nearly Rose. And whenever I bought this, I was just buying it off the picture online, and I'm not mad. So initially, whenever you put it on, it may seem like a lot, but you're gonna kind of blend it out with your finger. And I love that because personally, I already have so much makeup. I don't want to be traveling with a million brushes. I'd rather just be able to do something with my hands because then it's just way easier, you know? And it gives you just a lovely, nice little pink tint on your skin. Matte finish, and then I also have their dewy finish. I'm gonna use the dewy because I have a bigger bottle versus the small travel bottle, which I'll keep in my little bag. So here we go. Wow, that was really unclimactic. Yeah, now I'll just dry my face for like a minute or so. This is like my ride or die palette. I've had it forever, like for the last I don't know how many years. It's just the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette, and it's powder. This is the color that I usually go in with, is this one right here. And you can tell because it looks the most used. It's a little dark. It's not a big deal. We're going to be blending. And we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. We're going to just go under that blush line. And then whenever you do this, you kind of aim towards like the ear, or like this little, I don't know, your tragus or whatever it's called. Just kind of aim towards that thing. And now we're going to blend. We're going to pray it blends well. And I'm looking in the mirror right now, so next, I'm going to go in with the banana powder out here. It's the lightest color. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to I'm going to go under the contour line now. We are going to go back in with the brown that I went in with contouring again, so same color. And kind of go around the crown of my face. Or just the whole outline of my face around my hair. The whole point of doing this is just to accentuate your features, bring out your face more, and kind of add these like imaginary shadows. Jawline, contour that. Set my contour, and where's it go? Guess what just happened? My fan just died. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil, and it is in the color Ash Brown. I'm pretty much just going in and outlining my eyebrow. And usually my eyebrows are not this long, so I kind of add a little bit of like a tip to it. I'll try to just make it look as like perfect as possible. Yeah, like just please look closely. Like, do you see how it looks a lot more noticeable on this side than that other side? Alright, and then in order to try to make it look like a little bit more smoother, I will just go back in with my spoolie, brush my brow out, and I don't know, sometimes I'll kind of press against the skin if I want to kind of give myself like a little fade at the beginning of my eyebrow, make it look more natural. This is the next product. This is Sky High by Maybelline. I got some mascara on my skin. See that? Now I'm just gonna go in and just... Whenever that happens, I always suggest don't go in and press really hard with the Q-tip, just barely go in because, you know, it's just sitting there on your skin. It probably doesn't sink in. You don't need to push really hard because then you're gonna have to go back in with foundation, possibly even concealer, so don't do that. But you see, I feel like it's just like such a big difference. I mean, my lashes aren't that long. Next, we are gonna go in with House of Lashes Lash Glue. And then I just have these lashes from NYX. They're meant to be used with their eyeliner with glue in it, but personally, I am allergic to like a lot of shit, so I feel like my eyes get really puffy when I use that stuff with glue in it, so yeah. I'm not gonna do that today, I don't think. I'm just not really feeling that. I really actually like these lashes because they're super thin and they're really pretty. So right now, I'm literally just waiting for it to dry. I'll probably have to hold the lash like this. Blow a little bit because my dryer or my fan went out. Alright, so I got that one lash in. Alright, here's the aftermath of me getting ready. Do I look decent? I don't look that bad, huh? Eyelash gave me hella problems. I finally just got that motherfucker on, so. But here is the final look. So, I have to clean up my bathroom now and I need to go get dressed because I literally look like a scrub. But I look like a cute scrub, so that's what matters. Alright, well, hopefully I'll see y'all in the next one.